Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, come to you live from Vietnam, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good everything out there, and welcome. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and it looks like something's happened with Dogecoin. Looks like about 2 billion Dogecoin have been transferred, and so we're going to be talking about that. Is this mean that's going to be a huge dump coming for Dogecoin? I don't know. We're going to have to find out later in the video, so you have to watch this one to the end, guys. So we're going to talk about what's going on. Also, guys, don't forget we got the Tesla earnings that are going to be coming out at the end of market close today, so that's kind of interesting. So hopefully Tesla is up. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of the stinkity stonks out there, but I must admit, full disclosure, transparency time from the Ric Flair of crypto, in-house, that I only own two stocks, and it's Starbucks and Tesla. That's it. Everything else, I don't own any more stocks, guys. I used to own Microsoft, Apple. I don't own Microsoft anymore. I don't own Apple anymore. But I do own Tesla and I do own Starbucks. Why do I own Starbucks? Because I like the coffee. I like the freaking coffee. And I like Tesla because I think it's pretty innovative. And I'm a huge Elon fanboy. Okay, I admit it. I went on live on YouTubeville. I'm a huge Elon Musk fanboy guy. I mean, sure, some people don't like his character. He has a hot temper. He can be spiteful sometimes. He doesn't like it when people cross him. He likes to make example of people that crosses him. But you don't get to where you are by being a knucklehead. Okay, sometimes you need to be different, guys, and sometimes super intelligent people are different, guys. It is what it is, guys and gals. So let's jump into the video without any further delay. Remember, none of this is financial advice out there. So we're still looking at the time of recording pre-markets. We're seeing a whole bunch of earnings that's coming out today. Some of the earnings are not good. Some of the earnings are bad out there. We do have Tesla earnings coming out today. So Tesla is expected to report its earnings today, and that's after market close. The report will be for the fiscal quarter ending 2022. So this is going to be the whole roundup of 2022, right? So based on 8 analysts' forecast, the consensus EPS forecast for the quarter is around about 0.98. The reported EPS for the same quarter last year was about 68 cents. So not too bad if the EPS comes in as predicted, right? So it is what it is. Let's take a look at what's going on with the cryptocurrencies out there. Let me do some into refresh, guys. So cryptocurrencies right now are kind of like down. A lot of that has to do with the broader markets were down yesterday. I mean, the broader markets did have a big tankety tank yesterday, but we are seeing that right now the Bitcoin dominance at 42.5%. It's probably going to smash up to 43% pretty soon. We are seeing the Ethereum dominance is coming down as well. I mean, Ethereum has gained a little bit from where it was earlier. It was down over 5%, but it's coming up a little bit, but not too much. But we are seeing that Bitcoin is still holding strong in terms of amount of percentages losing against price. So that's not too bad. We're seeing the total market cap right now is at 1.03 trillion out there, and that's at down 2.12%. And we are seeing that the Bitcoin is, like I said, dominance is going up. So there are some people selling off their altcoins and moving it into Bitcoin. So that's pretty normal. When you have the markets going down, people often sell off their altcoins, move it into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin tends to be a little bit more resilient out there. But however, Ethereum over the long term does outperform Bitcoin. It's just a thing. So what you should be doing right now, I mean, I still think this is a good opportunity to be buying the dips, guys. There are some crypto on discount. If you take a look at what's going on the weekly, anything over like 10% in the top 50 that are down over 10%, something worth looking at. Shiba Inu, I think Shiba Inu could be a good pickup because we do have this Ethereum that's coming as well, February 14th. But overall, nothing really too standing out. Filecoin might be something to look at out there, but it's kind of business as usual out there. So we just have to wait and see. I think that this drawdown, and this is basically people taking profits, is going to end probably by Monday, guys. We'll start to see reversal. Things start becoming up. We're seeing the DXY gone down again. I said 1 or 2 earlier. My previous video has gone down again, so that's not bad. Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing right now? Bitcoin is at 22,607, and it is just going sideways. It's just kind of like in this whole accumulation pattern that's happening. So I'm not too worried. It's really not. I mean, it's not dumping to the depths, right? It's not really going down. It's just kind of going sideways. So that is not too bad. Bitcoin on the weekly, doji candle, we don't know if we're going up. We don't know if we're going down. So it is what it is. Don't forget with PCE, core PCE data is coming out on Thursday. Don't forget that. Ethereum is coming back slightly right now. I mean, it did see a low today of 15.19. It's back up to 15.54. So that's okay. I think we're just going to be going sideways and range bound for a while. Don't forget we got the next halving. The next halving. Don't forget, guys. I've got like shingles, right? And it's painful. It's like it's irritating. It's like, you know, top 10 most painful things. So guys, we got 427 days before the next halving, and that's going to be March 28, 2024. So mark that in your calendars. We're going to see a lot of crypto explosion. We're going to see Bitcoin going up. It's going to be great, guys. So we're seeing the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter in the last hour has been Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Matic is back in the top spot, guys. I love Matic. Don't sleep on Matic, guys. Absolutely do not sleep on Matic. We got BNB. We got Terra Luna Classic. The lunkheads are people talking about the lunk coin out there. And Shiba, Weeby is also happening, guys. Absolutely happening like crazy out there. And guys, there's some scuttlebutt that's going on that Apple is about to implement Bitcoin and crypto. This could put Coinbase and Binance out of business. Well, yeah, but I did some searching on it, and I can't find anything concrete about that. It's kind of rumors at this point, but Apple's about to implement Bitcoin and crypto. I haven't heard anything about it. I haven't found anything about it. I reached out to some contacts at Apple. They had nothing to say about it, guys. So this coming in from Seth. Bitcoin, this pump was manipulated, not organic. Most hated pump ever. Everyone is in disbelief. The whole Twitter is still bearish, but what about the macroeconomics, guys? So looking at the past might give you a clue, guys. History doesn't repeat, but it often rhymes. So there are a lot of naysayers, naysayers out there who are saying that this is artificial, it's not organic, it's manipulated. People in disbelief, people in bearish. So there are a lot of people saying that, you know, we're going to have a huge dumpity dump out there. But you know, if we look at the historical prices of the fractal and the historical patterns, it looks pretty convincing to me that this is a reversal, guys. That's what I'm thinking. What are you guys thinking about that? I would appreciate it. Don't forget to smash the freaking likes. And end of the Bitcoin bear market is here, guys. So we can see that the net unrealized profit and loss on Newpol out there. We are now moving into the hope and fear, guys. We are now moving. Before we were like capitulation zone here, but now we're moving back into hope and fear. So that is pretty good. That is often a Bitcoin bottom indicator out there. So the sentiment is moving, guys. So guys, this is 100. I love it. Here we go to the moon, guys. So a lot of people saying that from 22,000 to 40K in 14 days is not possible, but he's trying to be cynical, okay, in case you don't get the post. But if you guys recall, on the 24th of December 2020, okay, that Bitcoin was at $22,700, and then on the 7th of January, it mooned to $40,000. So it's not impossible that we could do a huge reversal for Bitcoin in a short period of time. And don't forget, Bitcoin right now has got some resistance around about 25K. Okay, 25K is our next big resistance. 23 is acting as a huge wall right now, but it is not as a big resistance zone as 25K out there. So keep that in mind. Not too jubbly wubbly. So that is okay. What else is coming in? We talked about that. What else is coming in? Zoom out, guys. Wendy Trendy is your freaking friendly, guys. Do in fact zoom out. If you're investing in Bitcoin, don't get yourself trapped by LTF price action, guys. Take a step back and chill. Bitcoin is here to stay. When in doubt, zoom out, guys. When in doubt, zoom out. And we see, all of these huge pennant formations on the monthly pennant formation. We were just completing a huge pennant formation on the monthly, guys, and we're seeing the RSI about to cross. And every time we have this huge pennant formation, RSI cross, we get a bounce. So, the fractal data is showing that is looking pretty positive, guys. Bitcoin has shown strength with a clean break above the 200-day moving average plus pre-FTX collapse highs. Next key resistance, like I said, is 25K. And I think we're going to make a clean break to 25K, guys. What do you guys think? I'm just adjusting the camera. Might be overexposed. There you go. A little bit cheerier out there. Smash the like, lick the likes, pump the likes, guys. OG's in pain. Guys, Elon Musk is Captain Kirk. Would you like to see Elon Musk play Captain Kirk in the newest Star Trek movie that's supposed to be coming out? sometime in the future. I think that would be cool beans to see Elon Musk play Captain Kirk. Guys, tell me what you think about that. I think it would be a good catalyst for Dogecoin as well. Elon Musk and Doge to the freaking moon, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. And guys, Elon Musk, Dogecoin will change the payment system forever. It is just a matter of time. It's inevitable. Like I said in my other video, it is freaking inevitable that Dogecoin will go up. Dogecoin will get to $1, guys. It's just a matter of time. When exactly, we don't know. I mean, 2025, yeah, if we don't have any kind of like huge catalyst. I mean, if we get the Dogecoin Tippy, we get the Doge X, we get all that stuff happening, it might be sooner. It might be sooner, guys. And we need Dogecoin to get back on the Dogecoin bandwagon. So we need to see, and you know, could you imagine if we see a country make Doge their legal tender? Guys, Dogecoin would go to the freaking moon, guys. Do you agree? Dogecoin would, guys. And I think that, you know, Dogecoin standard, it could be a global financial system. It could be huge. It could be a matter of time. TD, time, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin liquidations out there. What is going on with the apes? The apes out there. So we are seeing a little bit more liquidations. The apes are being liquidated out there, so about 236 million, guys. Don't forget we got CME gap on Friday. Every Friday we got that, guys. So we are seeing right now that people are shorting the betting that Ethereum is going to go down, guys. So that is not good. But we're still seeing $5 million worth of Doge got shorted, guys. Wow. So let's see what's going on in 24 hours. We're seeing longs, so that's not good for the price action, guys. But we will see that in 12 hours shorts, guys. So it's kind of mixed right now. We are seeing that you know, long and shorts. The longs are outpacing the shorts, so that's going to put a damper on the price, guys. So that's what it is. If you take a look at the amount of Bitcoin exchanges, the big amount of Bitcoin on exchanges has been going down, down. But on the 21st, we did see an uptick of Bitcoin going to exchanges, and that is because, remember, the price of Bitcoin on that day was around about 22,500. Then it went to about 22,800, and then it peaked at 23,000. And we're seeing a lot of people pushing some of the Bitcoin onto exchanges because there's been some selling, downward pressure out there. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, our Doge is at 80840. It looks like 8 cents is being supported. We need to get ourselves back above this trend line, and we need to be above this trend line, continue to go up and to hit this confluence level. And 9 cents is definitely creating a little bit of problem for us. We need to get up there, guys. So, but it's inevitable, guys. It's inevitable. As I talked about in my last video, you know, if you took the current price of Doge and you invested $10,000, guys, not to be repetitive, but you guys need to see example, and it hit $1, you'd be up 1,075%, guys, and that would give you a total return on that $10,000, 117,000. Could you imagine? Now, if you invested 20K out there, you know, that would give you $235,000. Now, could you imagine if you had some mad money, and you put 50K in there? That would give you almost $600,000, guys. Wow. So, you know, it's not a bad investment. And if you can wait till 2025, it's a good return, guys. You know, let's do something realistic. Let's say you put $500, and then you bought at today's price, right? $500, guys. Today's price, it'd be worth almost 6K, guys. It'd be worth 6K. So think along those lines, guys. Just have to be patient and you know, wait for life-changing wealth. That's what it's all about, guys. It's absolutely what it's all about. What's coming in for Dogecoin? Looks like Dogecoin whale moves over 2 billion with a B. For Dogecoin, guys, and they moved this 2 billion Dogecoin to Binance, guys. So that is another reason why we're seeing some selling pressure, because it looks like Dogecoin whale moves billions of Doge to Binance, guys. So according to Whale Alert, the whale transferred about 1.4 billion of Dogecoin tokens worth about 117.53 million to a crypto exchange on January 25th. Within 5 minutes, the whale transferred about 985 million Doge tokens worth 82 million from Binance to his wallet. So, and this wallet has been dormant for quite some time, guys. So he did keep some. So I think he's going to be doing maybe some day trading, some swing trading for that. So let's see what that's all about. Dogecoin ready for a rally ahead of Tesla earnings. I think that if Tesla earnings are going to be good, I think that might pump the Doge, and Doge might see some positiveness out there. What do you guys think about that, guys? What do you absolutely think? Also, it looks like right now Shiba Inu is accepted as a payment for a luxury Swiss watch online shop, guys. So that is pretty cool. And also Dogecoin as well. Remember, BitPay is a third party, so anywhere that BitPay is accepted, they can also use Dogecoin. So that's a good catalyst, guys. So it looks like treat yourself Valentine with something special this year and shop luxury watches at jomasshop.com. And there you can buy Omegas and Rolexes and stuff, guys. Not chilling, just speaking of facts, guys. So once again, guys, don't forget to be part of the freaking conversation. I appreciate it. And guys, join our Discord. Go down to the connections below the description. And guys, don't forget, if you are keeping your crypto on a centralized exchange, get a hardware wallet. You will sleep better at night, and you will appreciate it, guys. You'll be ahead of the game, ahead of the curve, guys and gals. So don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. We got 6,061 guys. The OG effect. Do share this. Do try to get this out. I want to get this with 10,000 guys. We got the blue check mark, guys. So we are trusted. We are trusted, guys. Don't forget get the merch. Gear up with the OG gear. I appreciate it. So guys, that's it. It's almost time for the OG to get some shut eye. Get the caveman look on there. Got this rash, guys. This rash, this shingles. It really sucks, guys. It's on my back on the right side. Goes all the way down from my back all the way to the inside of my thigh. And it goes in right now. I'm looking at it, and it goes just below my knee. It's going all the way down. It doesn't seem to be going any further down, but it is painful. It is ouchy, woo woo. And when you don't move, it's okay, but once you move, it hurts, guys. It freaking hurts. So I hope no one gets it, guys. Do take precautions. Be careful out there, and it's a great time to be alive, guys. So I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Be blessed, be well. Peace out.